warm welcome greeted the Comelec Waka Waka Voters Information Campaign in the province of La Union. And instead of the Comelec officials doing a house-to-house campaign, residents opted instead for an open forum. Haji Camino reports.
The Commission on Elections Waka Waka Information Campaign passed through the provinces of Ilocos Norte and Ilocos Sur for the first 2 weeks. La Union, which also draws a big portion of Northern Luzon, is next in line. The team finally reached the welcome arc of the province where the welcoming committee led by the provincial election supervisor greeted them warmly. From Sudipen, Comelec spokesman James Jimenez's team then proceeded to the town of Bangar where a group of people was waiting at the covered of Barangay Poblacion for an open forum which is also a part of the voters' education program. The forum has a slight difference from the house-to-house campaign because this time, there is an interaction between the audience and the speaker.
Maganda talaga yung meron tayong pagkakataon na makipag-usap sa mga lokal at sila mismo yung magtatanong sa atin. Kasi kuminsan yung hindi na itatanong, doon nagmumula yung kaguluhan eh. No? So magandang nagkakaroon tayo ng interaction na ganyan, nagkakaroon ng open forum. And it's very gratifying na after walking long distances, ganito yung sasalubong sa'yo, very active, very high-spirited yung mga kausap natin. So magandang bagay po yun.
In the said forum, Jimenez explained the goal of the Waka Waka program, as well as the importance of capturing biometrics and registration for the 2016 presidential elections. As Jimenez's speech ended, residents raised their questions and concerns among issues such as releasing of voters' ID. Comelec thought the forum was very effective. That's why they will set other forums in the coming days.
We have faith in the election officer here na yung strategy na ini-employ niya, particularly itong cooperation with the officials will bear fruit. No? Sa pag-uusap naman natin sa mga barangay officials, excited naman silang tumulong sa atin na mag-share ng information tungkol sa registration.
The poll body thanked the residents for their warm welcome and active participation during the open forum. From Bangar, the team proceeded to the towns of Balawan, San Juan, and Bacnotan. With cameraman Romel Tagbas for the People's Television Network, Haji Camino, La Union.